In the rapidly changing and competitive tech job market, characterized by widespread layoffs, the pursuit of valuable skills extends beyond traditional IT expertise. A diverse range of technologies, including cybersecurity, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and blockchain, now represent key focal points. Navigating the myriad options available can be overwhelming, but we've compiled a list of the top in demand tech skills in 2024. This list encompasses not only the most sought after IT skills but also some easier ones to learn. 1. Cybersecurity. The increasing prevalence of cyber threats underscores the need for proficient experts capable of protecting valuable data assets. Acquiring expertise in cybersecurity is vital for career stability and professional growth. A solid grounding in IT and networking is a prerequisite for security roles, providing a comprehensive understanding of infrastructure interdependence. 2. Cloud computing. In 2024, cloud computing is one of the most sought-after tech skills. It involves delivering computing services over the internet, offering scalability, flexibility, and cost savings. Demand is high for cloud administrators and engineers responsible for developing and overseeing applications and systems in the cloud. Starting with the fundamentals and mastering popular platforms like Azure, AWS, and Google Cloud can significantly boost career prospects. Learning opportunities. Times Cloud Foundations. Times Deployment and Automation. Times Management Tools. Times Active Directory Basics. Times Monitor, Log, and Remediation. Times Architecture. Times Cloud Security. 3. Data Science and Data Analytics. In today's data-centric landscape, organizations require profound insights. Data scientists and analysts play pivotal roles in cleaning, analyzing, and presenting data for actionable insights. Data visualization specialists excel in creating visually appealing charts, facilitating simplified comprehension of complex data. 4. Robotic Process Automation, RPA. RPA automates tasks, freeing up staff resources for more intricate responsibilities. Proficiency in RPA tools and process automation is valuable in optimizing workflows, leading to substantial cost savings and increased customer satisfaction across various sectors. 5. Artificial Intelligence, AI, and Machine Learning, ML. AI and ML are revolutionizing industries like healthcare and finance. Proficiency in machine learning, natural language processing, and data analysis is highly sought after. Online courses, some free, make it accessible to stay competitive in this rapidly evolving field. 6. Blockchain. Blockchain, the technology behind cryptocurrencies, is gaining traction across diverse industries. Understanding blockchain and its potential applications provides a competitive edge. Its decentralized and transparent nature ensures security and adaptability across sectors. 7. User Experience, UX, Design. UX design focuses on creating meaningful interactions between users and digital products or services. UX designers play a crucial role in understanding user needs, goals, and behaviors. Cultivating UX design skills is pivotal for ensuring long-term relevance and impact. 8. Digital Marketing. Digital marketing, including SEO, social media marketing, and PPC advertising, is crucial as businesses pivot to the digital domain. Digital marketers must consistently update their skills to stay effective in reaching and engaging target audiences. Staying ahead of industry trends by mastering these tech skills will position you as an indispensable asset, ensuring your relevance in the ever-evolving tech landscape.